I do like the doors also. This is the elevator for in Las Vegas, Nevada. We have a ThyssenKrupp elevator, Dover elevator, ThyssenKrupp elevator down to the hotel. I don't want to copyright here. I probably know the song, but I'm getting in here. Dover Casino. These are the fixtures. That's a loud beat buzzer. Oh. Tram. Got it. We have ThyssenKrupp elevator. These are the fixtures. That's fast. These are the fixtures. Casino. 3,500 pounds capacity. Cabio. Who do you see here? The panel roofs apart, but they're well maintained. They're fixtures. I'm going to here.